Welcome to Outdoor Chef. Today we're making the creamy baked mac and cheese with bechamel sauce. Crispy outside, cheesy inside, and super easy to make. Let's get started. Boil water in a pot. Once it starts boiling, add some salt and a few drops of olive oil. Then, add the pasta to the boiling water and cook it according to the instructions on the package. This usually takes about 9 to 10 minutes. To prepare the bechamel sauce, place a clean pot on the stove. Add 3 tablespoons of olive oil and about 50 grams of butter. If you prefer, you can use only olive oil or only butter. Melt the butter. Add 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to the melted butter. Stir constantly and cook over low heat for about 3.5 minutes. Continue stirring until the flour releases its aroma and blends thoroughly with the butter. This step is crucial for creating a smooth and creamy sauce. I'd be so happy if you subscribe to my channel and like the video. I'm here every week with delicious new recipes. Gradually add 1 liter of milk to the roasted flour. Stir constantly to prevent lumps and ensure the flour and milk blend smoothly. Continue cooking over low heat, stirring until the sauce thickens. At this stage, your bechamel sauce will become smooth and creamy in texture. Once the bechamel sauce has thickened, add salt to taste. Salt helps balance the flavor of the sauce and enhances the taste of the other ingredients. If desired, you can also add a pinch of black pepper or freshly grated nutmeg at this stage. This part is the key to the recipe. If you've enjoyed it so far, I think we've earned a like. Just 1 click is enough. Continue cooking the sauce, stirring constantly, until it reaches your desired consistency. Stirring ensures the milk doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot and prevents lumps, allowing the sauce to become smooth and creamy. Richer flavor and smoother texture, add a bowl of chopped or grated cheese to the sauce. I used cheddar cheese for this recipe, but you can choose different cheeses according to your taste. Stir constantly until the cheese is fully melted and evenly distributed throughout the sauce. When making the bechamel sauce, constantly stirring it ensures a smooth and creamy texture. If you skip this step, it may clump. Don't forget to add salt and olive oil to the water when boiling the pasta. It enhances the flavor and prevents the pasta from sticking. adding the cheese, stir the sauce over low heat to let it melt. High heat can cause the cheese to clump, so be patient. Pour the prepared bechamel sauce over the pasta you've previously boiled, and stir well to ensure the sauce coats every piece of pasta. Be sure to mix carefully so the sauce is evenly distributed, creating a creamy and flavorful pasta. Transfer the pasta into a baking tray or a dish of your choice. I used a glass dish. Spread the pasta carefully and smooth the top to ensure an even layer. This step is important for more uniform baking. Just the look is enough, right? If you liked it, don't forget to hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comments. I added white cheddar cheese on top, but you can use any cheese you prefer according to your taste. For example, mozzarella, cheddar, or parmesan would also work wonderfully. Make sure the cheese is spread evenly over the pasta. If you want to try my recipe, make sure to leave a comment. Subscribe for more recipes. The delicious journey continues. Your pasta is ready to go into the oven. Preheat the oven to 225 degrees Celsius. Once the oven is heated, place the pasta dish inside. Bake for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until the top turns golden brown. The melted and browned cheese will make the pasta even more delicious and visually appealing.